Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install HSA Bank mobile app for insurance-linked savings step by step clearly. Open your smartphone and locate the App Store. For Android devices, find the Google Play Store. For iOS devices, open the Apple App Store. Once in the App Store, tap on the search bar at the top. Type in HSA Bank to find the official mobile app. Look for the app with HSA Bank's logo. Tap on the app to view more details. Check the app rating and read any reviews for additional assurance. Once you confirm it's the right app, tap on the Install or Get button. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once installation is complete, locate the app on your home screen. Tap on the HSA Bank app to open it. You may need to grant it permissions to access certain features. You will be prompted to log in with your HSA Bank account credentials. Enter your username and password as instructed. If you don't have an account, there should be an option to create one. Follow the prompts to set up your new account if needed. Once logged in, explore the app features. Make sure to set up any necessary security options for your account. You are now ready to use the HSA Bank mobile app for managing your insurance-linked savings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.